Did you know you can track livestock prices for free using only Google Sheets? No apps, no websites, just one simple formula. In this video, I'll show you how to get real-time stock prices in Google Sheets using the Google Finance function. This is perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who wants a simple stock tracker. By the end of this video, you'll have a live dashboard like this, with stock prices updating automatically. Let's start with the basic formula. In any cell, type equals Google Finance open parenthesis, APPL, comma price, close parenthesis here. A 2 is APPL. APPL is the stock symbol for Apple, and price means current price. Press enter, and that's it. The price is live. Now let's make it better. Instead of writing the symbol inside the formula, we put it in a cell. Now we can change the stock name, and the price updates automatically. We can also get more information, like today's high and low. We can also calculate the daily change automatically. Just add a new column called Change. Then use this formula, equals B2 minus Google Finance open parenthesis, a 2 comma, close quote, close parenthesis. This compares today's price with yesterday's close, so you instantly see if the stock is up or down. You can even format it in green for positive and red for negative, like a real trading dashboard. For applying to all the stocks, we just select the columns and drop down like this. If you see data not available, it usually means the stock symbol is wrong or the market is closed. Just check the symbol on Google Finance. And that's it. You now have live stock prices in Google Sheets for free. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple Excel and Google Sheets tips.